Hello everyone. In this video, we will have information about UGC e-resources. Here, UGC has developed e-resources in the form of e-content, MOOCs for Swayam, and translation of Swayam courses in 8 regional languages have been integrated with the Digital Seva csc.gov.in. CSC means Common Service Center. So all these e-resources are integrated with the Digital Seva, and here, 25 MOOCs in 8 Indian languages. So UGC has translated 25 MOOCs in 8 Indian languages. Here also, non-technology MOOCs courses are available. EPG Pathshala in 67 subjects are also available. So if you come down, so you can find the 25 MOOCs courses. Here, 25, you can see the list of 25 MOOCs courses along with the video lectures. So we can also find, so what are the different regional languages: English, Hindi, Marathi, Bangla, Gujarati, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada. For example, so if you want to get the information regarding artificial intelligence, so you can click view lecture, so you can get the video.
Friend after many years, and the friend has grown in all dimensions. You still are able to recognize him. How do you do that? Have you?
Here you can find the models in the left side. Okay, so you can find the models related to artificial intelligence. Here the
Ever
video will
thought
be
of it?
playing now.
You probably ask your own self. You don't.
Yes, now you can get the this video information. Suppose if you want to get the translation, suppose for example if you want to translate in Tamil, so you can click Tamil. So now
Really
let me
know
play the
how
video.
have you done it.
Let
But
me
then, if
click
you want a
Tamil.
computer program
See
to do
here.
it,
So you
how
can
can
get
you
the
write a
Tamil
computer program to
translation
do it?
at the bottom of the
That
video.
is what artificial intelligence is.
At the
We are going
same
to
time,
study a few
so you
things
can
about
get the
artificial
text
intelligence
at the bottom of the video. So if you play the video, the text automatically will be updated here. See here.
in this module. In fact, we will just begin with introduction to artificial intelligence.
So the Tamil
We'll
translation
talk
also
about what it
updated in
set
this
out
box.
for, and what
So you
actually
can get
it
the
has
video
achieved
lecture
so
as well as
far
you
in
can
this
get
particular
the
module. So
e-text also. At the end of this video, you can copy.
let us
For
begin with
example,
some of the problems that I already
yes.
mentioned out.
Now let's see. So at the end of the video, so you can copy all the translation script. So you can copy and you can paste it anywhere else. Okay. So like that, you can get the e-text also. Yes. Similarly, you can also translate in Hindi also. For example,
I call them
so
the
let me
problems with
play the
special
video.
attention. Why it is hard for
Now I
computers
just click
to solve
Hindi.
these
See
problems?
here. So at the bottom of
Let me
the
repeat, the
video, you
computers
can
are
also
not
get the translation
designed
in
to solve
Hindi.
these problems.
At the
They are
same
designed
time,
using something
so
called
you can
human
get the
architecture, where there
Hindi
are
translation at the
processors
bottom.
and very fast processors. They execute things
At the
in
bottom.
sequential fashion. Unlike that,
So
human brain is equipped
so
with
if you
neurons.
access the
There
information
are 10 raised
related
to
to
10
this
neurons
artificial
with 10 raised
intelligence,
to
find it. So similarly, we can find different models related to artificial intelligence. So if you want to translate any language, so you can get the translation and you can get the e-text of these translations. So this feature is available in this UGC e-resources website. Okay. Now let me go back. So let me click another content. For example, early childhood and care education. So let me click this view lecture. Early childhood and care and education.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the fourth module on the course Early Childhood Care and Education. The fourth module is on the theoretical foundations and implications towards learning and development, with special focus on the behaviorism and the social.
So similarly, so any content we can get the translation. Okay. So basically the video is in English language. So if you want to get the translation in any languages, you can find the right side. So you can find out the language. You can get the translation. Similarly, you can get the entire translation to the topic early childhood care and education. Let me go back. So here there are 25 MOOCs courses are available. So whatever the courses, if you want to get translation or if you want to get the e-contents, so you can get the entire information and the translation. Another one is non-technology MOOCs. Here 135 PG courses and 243 UG courses are available. If you click non-technology courses, here you can find the different courses: communication technologies in education, education administration, management, leadership in school education. A lot of courses are available. For example, let me click cognitive science. So if you click cognitive science, it will ask the different topics. For example, under this cognitive science, let me click memory. Here you can get the e-text, e-text of this memory. Okay, so here learning outcomes, table of contents. So memory, types of memory, okay, neurocognition and short-term memory. So all the content are available. So if you want, you can save the file. You can get the e-text. So you can save to the computer. Okay. For example, if you want to get the self-learning material, so if you want access like video, so if you click self-learning, so you can get the video. Here you can also access the video regarding this cognitive science memory topic. So it will give the instructions regarding the principal investigator and co-principal investigator and technical coordinator. Okay, and it will give the details regarding all these courses.
After studying this module, you shall be able to understand the concept of memory. You shall be
So you can scroll
awareness
down, you can get the video lectures.
and personhood. This chapter focuses on the three store model of memory,
So like that you
which
can get the
asserts that memory
e-text and the self-learning. So both the content can be obtained from this UGC MOOCs website. Now let me see about EPG Pathshala. Here there are 67 subjects are available. Suppose if you click, so you can get the next page. So in that page, so you can see the e-adhyayan e-books. So here there are 700 e-books are available for post-graduation course. And EPG Pathshala. So we can get the all this information as OER format. Okay, so definitely this video will be very useful for all the teachers and students. Thank you so much.